Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 16th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, very predictable move today. Definitely a nice little five-way pattern down, I believe, for most likely a wave A or possibly a wave 1. This is definitely 5 waves up right here. You will notice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It may actually be a wave 1, which means this move up could be a wave 2, but I would definitely consider it also possibly a wave B. Then I would expect another push down. If it is a wave C, then it's likely to bounce off maybe to 50 to 61.8, make a nice little break of structure, proving that it is a wave C, and in that case, it definitely would make for a nice long opportunity. But definitely be careful because it doesn't necessarily have to do that. Like I said, this could be a 1, this could be a 2, and it potentially could go all the way down, break these lows, especially with these 5 waves up. You would actually believe that this actually would very, very likely break the low of wave 4 and probably end up being like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.